Alam mo yung 10K ipon challenge, yung meron kang chart, tapos meron chechikan ka doon, tapos every linggo, maghuhulog ka lang ng pera mo hanggang mabuo mo yung 10,000 pesos. I think meron pa ding mga gumagawa nun up until now eh. Actually magandang simula yun, pero hindi siya solution kung hindi mo talaga kilala yung pera mo. I remember doing that challenge years ago and every time na naguhulog ako, sobrang saya ko talaga. No? Feeling ko nagiging disiplinado ako. Pero guess what? Nung nagka-emergency, lahat ng nahulog ko, naubos lang din. Wala man lang guilt sa akin kasi sa totoo lang, wala naman akong plano sa perang yun eh. Wala rin akong idea kung short term ba yun, or pang emergency ba, or pang bakasyon ba, o basta ipon lang. Kaya kung hindi mo kilala yung pera mo, madali lang rin siya mawawala. Actually, meron isang study sa behavioral economics. Sabi doon, people are more likely to spend their savings if it's not labeled or assigned to specific goal. Baka yung mga ipon-ipon lang na walang label, madali lang maubos, lalo kapag emotional ka or under stress ka. Kaya kahit makabuo ka ng 10,000 in 6 months, kung wala ka namang sistema o awareness kung para saan yun, hindi mo rin mararamdaman yung security. Actually, you don't need a challenge right now. You just need clarity. So, here's a better approach for me. Instead of just saving blindly, alamin mo muna ano ba yung mga kailangan mong paghandaan. Then, assign ka ng savings mo. Yung 2,000 mo ba pang emergency? Yung another 2,000 pang bakasyon. The other 2,000 pang investment. Yung another 3,000 pang bayad ng utang. And ang goal is not just makabuo ng 10,000. Ang goal is mabuhay ng may peace of mind. Kung gusto mo ng mas klaro at customized system instead of ipon-ipon lang, you can message me. Let's make your savings meaningful, not just impressive sa social media.